How's it going, fellas? Welcome to the Nature Gang. What time is this? Oh yeah, this show. Shoot. What the hell can we? Fuck! Oh, sorry, fellas. Dude, what the? The concerts begin. Mr. Water versus Mr. Fire. Rod, you begin. Oh, what should I do? I don't know. Jello is not real. Oh, you better have a truth because you always have the stupid reason to tell the truth. Oh, shut up, Fire. You shut up. Shut your mouth. Enough, guys. This is a serious meeting, not a party for random. Oh, I'm so sorry. Well, my friend Water, he mentioned that he never make love with your wife. So practical. Or your new girlfriend. So practically he didn't go into your house. Liar! I mean, who the hell believes this trash? They call you the loser. Fire, you always have the problem with your feelings. Shut your mouth, Water. Pay attention, pay attention. Alright, Cloud, you can keep going. Oh, thank you. They mentioned it, the Water, but the Fire, he was saying, walking outside, the snowing, the beautiful day outside, the snowing. And I mentioned, how the hell is snowing? Jesus Christ, what is this place? Yeah, I'm a fire, I don't like water. Wait, you mean you don't like me? But I'm boy. No, not you, I mean the snow. But it's important. Why? Because the plants need a sleep. What the hell? Can I keep going? Thank you. Okay. Everyone, do you really think the water even know the planet girlfriend? Or he watching, or he making love with Earth-chan? Wait, is that? Wait, Earth-chan? I thought it's a legend. No, it's not a legend. It's meme on YouTube, you morons. Wait, really? I should have thrown you in the window, pal. But it's snowing. What the hell cares? And the fact, it's a revolution. Revolution, the tree dying, especially you. You make stupid questions you ever seen. Oh, come on, guys, we're on a seriously talking. Which talk? We're just talking about planet girlfriend. I don't give a damn. Can I keep going? Thank you. Anyway, the fire make love with Earth-chan. Alright, enough. Let's listen to son. Man, you saved me. Well, we're his friends. Alright, go son. Alright, let me give you a kiss. For what? I'm sorry, I'm just kidding. Anyway, where am I? Sir Earth. I was mentioning the Earth-chan isn't real, just a picture, and you just seriously making love with a picture. Is true? I thought you were talking about the water and what he's done. Wait a minute, Earth-chan? Well, yeah. Who the hell's Earth-chan? It's a picture from YouTube. It's the planet Earth, but in anime version. I listen enough. Enough. The final conclusion is what the public said. The fire is killed the Earth. That's wait, me? What? I mean, are you crazy? I'm not charging here. Well, for me, it's true. Yep. What the heck is going on here? No, you can't do that. Oh. Yeah. You guys, you can't do that to me. I'm the Earth, I'm the leader of the... What the heck is this for? What the... Open it? What the... Earth-chan? Is just a picture? Okay. What the hell chose this joke? So, what next? Let's dance Fortnite. No, we are going... No, ban. It's now Fortnite's banned in this world. Hell yeah!